Hey everyone, this is another reason they don't do this anymore. Vanities always used to go on to the floor like that, but then what happens is you have water on your floor because you step out of the shower and that sort of thing, and this bed gets damp, it soaks up the water and it goes straight to your chipboard. And that's why so many vanities have been replaced in Australia, because it was all done wrong. Nowadays you waterproof your tile and you put your vanity on top of the tile. That would always just soak up the water and go to Weet-Bix. So there's a prime example. And there's another example, like, hello, where's your cement? Whoo! You know, a quick mix by hand, nah. Look at that. Bit of an eye opener. Bit of an eye opener, I'll tell you. But that's how that's how the tiling industry has been for years. Crapolo. And it still gets done. Crapolo. But you know, 20 or 25 years ago, yes, I used to mix my mud by hand. And like, cement is so cheap. Mix a little bit more in your mud, people. If you mix too much though, it can make it go a little bit sticky, so you don't want too much. Incredible. Okay, I'll carry on. Ooh, it's always good to come in and see what was done. And hey, you know, like I was around then, I did the same. Mixed by hand, cut down on cement a little bit. You know, one mix and oh yeah, that's enough. But when you're mixing by hand, you should actually toss it a bit more than once, so it mixes properly. Otherwise you have parts of no cement in your sand and it's history. It's just sand like that. Anyway, stay cool everyone. They have done something right though. They have a water stop, which is good. I've got to get some sponge and block up these floor wastes when I dig them up. I'll carry on. We'll see you soon. Ciao.